Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's encouraging inspirational word is a little knowledge that acts is worth infinitely more than knowledge that is idle. A little knowledge that acts is worth infinitely more than knowledge that is idle. These words were said by Khalil Gibran. Those are the inspirational words for today. In today's video, it is the collab with the group Keeping It Real Fun. Please check out all the ladies that are taking part in today's collab, and the information is in my description box. Our theme today is Thanksgiving potluck. Get together, dinner, lunch, however you do the potluck. I'm going to create a look that I would use to go to the potluck. I'm going to start with a green in my crease. It's a dark green. When I moved into this community many years ago, they used to have a potluck. Every holiday there was a potluck and everybody brought something and everybody get to meet who was new in the neighborhood. It was really nice. That happened for like about 5 years, and then as people moved out and new people came in, the tradition kind of fell on the wayside. But it was really nice to meet your neighbors, know who moved into the community. It was really nice. I liked it. All the kids get to meet the new kids and play, and I mean they set up everything for the kids so they can play, and we have like cul-de-sacs. So they pick the biggest cul-de-sac and everybody just walk down with their stuff and set it on the tables and meet each other and talk. Love that, but that's gone. It's gone. In November, we have a birthday in the Keeping It Real Fun collab group, and it is Liana Dalton. Her birthday was on November 5th. Happy birthday, Liana. I pray that everything that you ask your fairy moon dust will show up and will show up on time. Happy birthday, Liana. So this green I'm putting here, I am not quite sure, but I will say this green is for the green beans. A lot of people like to use the green beans during Thanksgiving. So I'll put that. I know some people don't celebrate Thanksgiving, and that is okay. The next color I'm going for is a yellow. I always take too much of this yellow all the time. See the amount? So I'm gonna dab it, because if I don't, it will be falling everywhere. This yellow is powerful. So now we no longer have that potluck. I don't know, I'm just putting the yellow. I'm just placing colors. So just go along with me. Take your palettes out and play and have some fun. I don't do much for Thanksgiving. We just relax. My family don't do much for Thanksgiving because the kids are all grown, so we don't have to cook a big turkey. I usually will get a whole chicken, cut it up, and make some curry chicken with some sweet potatoes, yams, and some vegetables, and that's what we will eat. Whoever is home, that's what they will eat. And I will put a clip of that in there so you can see it will be playing, so keep watching. I am adding some orange. plum color, outer corner. This whole chicken, I'm going to cut it up and make curry with it, and that will be for my potluck. Thanksgiving potluck makeup look. When I first moved into this neighborhood, we used to have a potluck every year, and everybody brings something and we put it on the table. So we haven't had it in a while, but our Keeping It Real Fun collab group is creating a Thanksgiving potluck look, and this is what I'm bringing to the potluck. This is chicken, sweet potatoes, which you call yams, and broccoli. And now I am going to put some curry sauce all over it, because this is curry chicken, but after it's prepared I do the curry sauce separate because I want it a little thick. And I'm going to take curry sauce and put all over it, and that is what I'll be taking to the potluck. And in Dominica, we always have sorrel drink, so this will be my sorrel for the potluck. This is what the dry sorrel looks like. And when you put it in water and you boil it, you put sorrel, clove, cinnamon, and you put it to boil. And after it's boiled, you let it cool and strain it, and it becomes this. Now the curry sauce is in there, as you can see, and this is a potluck to enjoy. This is my potluck style Thanksgiving meal. Bon appetit! Enjoy! This potluck dish is for my son. So I added rice to his own because he don't really care about sweet potato, which we call yams. So I made him a dish with curry chicken and onions, carrots, broccoli, and rice. That's his potluck. And this is my potluck dish, my yams, my curry sauce with onions, and a medley mixture of vegetables. Since the kids are all grown, my husband and I don't really have the need to cook a turkey, so most of the time we'll bake a chicken and we will do that. But this time I decided to make our potluck as curry chicken, vegetables, and yams. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe. I am back with today's look for the collab, keeping it real fun. We are going to a potluck lunch or dinner. I'm going to a potluck lunch today, and the table will be set with a pumpkin. As you have seen the video all the way through, you saw what I had at my potluck lunch. Remember, you are a divine soul. You are a divine soul. I am a divine soul. Never give up on yourself. Keep rising. Always remember you are first. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Watch the video all the way through. That helps me on YouTube. All the ladies that are taking part in today's video, remember to go check them out. All the ladies that are taking part in today's video, their information and YouTube link is in my description. Please go give them a look and see what they create for their Thanksgiving potluck. Look, this is mine. I'll explain. The cranberry color is for the cranberries that we have. Some people have cranberry sauce, some people have cranberry marmalade, some people have cranberry jelly. Cranberry. The orange that is right here is for the yams. I love yams. We call it sweet potato, we call it yams. It is always delicious, baked, cooked, very high in protein. The yellow right here is for my curry sauce that I make for my chicken for the potluck. Right here is the yellow. And the green for all the green beans, green vegetables, green salads that we eat during that time of year. That's it. So this is my eye look. It came together very nicely. I did not know what I was gonna do. I sat down and decided to film, and this is what it looks like. And you know, you gotta dress it up with a nice wig to show up and greet the neighborhood. So thank you all again for watching. I hope you created something today that brought you some joy. Life is short. I say that plenty because I know. Please enjoy this Earth Day. Please create and do something beautiful for your soul. I will see you in the next video. Your divine soul, may you have a joyful, wonderful, great Thanksgiving or whatever you celebrate this time of year. I will see you soon. Bye.